Greetings everyone. My name is Governor Ezioku, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. Good afternoon. From here, sorry, I had to make this video now. For each and every one of you. I decided to put on a black glass so that the reflection of the sun won't be disturbing me. Now, guys, everyone listening to me here, I want to show you something. I want you to watch this with me with this highest simplicity of mind. Now, my face, you're not going to see my face for some seconds. I need you to read for some minutes, at least 1 or 2 minutes. So I need you to read this intelligently. I should have placed this at the comment section, but I don't think it's possible now. Let me add it. I want you guys to read this with me. Read the first one. The person's number, I had to hide it because so you can read this now, right? Hello, the Shanamites. Good afternoon from here. The voice of the voiceless from the altar of the great Shanamites. Okay, this guy said he has tried reaching me yesterday, but there was no way for him to do that. So he appreciated me for everything we've been doing, and I want to also tell him that it is not by my power, neither is it by might, but I want to also assure you that even without me, God can still use another person to do whatever he chooses to do. I believe you all have read through. This guy is simply explaining what happened. I'm going to post the next page. I'm going to post the next paragraph, and I did like you to read before I go further. This guy, his elder brother, he's a pharmacist. He studied pharmaceutical, I think that's what they call it. And not even from the shores of Nigeria. This guy read this thing abroad. Now, only for him, the same month he came into Nigeria, on the 17th day of December 2021, the elder brother had an encounter with Gento, the Yahoo, and his group. They kidnapped this guy. This guy holds master's degree. Now let me show you the second of this paragraph. I need you to read also for yourself from where you are. Brothers, do you know that the guy studied this pharmacy in UNN in Saga, and he had a master's degree from the toppest universities in Germany. This our brother, this man. You see those people you see that are having kidney issues, you see people that would have saved them, that would have saved their lives. It is so painful that somebody who must have suffered through the cronings and the shores or the walls of the university studying medicine, his life was taken by an illiterate. I want you to follow me calmly and listen to what I'm saying. Somebody who answers Pablo, he just commented on my page. Oh yeah, get out from this page now. Goodbye from this page. These are idiots. Everyone listening to me, if you read through, you see that this young man who was spied around 2021 was about going for his PhD in Germany. He was kidnapped in Nigeria, Ala Igbo state, by Gento the Yahoo and his capitalist idiots. They went ahead and kidnapped this our brother. After collecting ransom from his brother. So they kidnapped this guy. However, a year ago, they collected money from this man. At the end of the day, that's so they used to buy this guy. His family. This message came directly from his brother. See, somebody says that he's not supporting Gentle, but how are we sure that it was Gentle? You remember that this guy calls people on the phone, right? And they tell you what you can do. Oh no, but my voice is Gentle. At the end of the day, they buy this guy. They buy this man. Hold on, let me remove these things and talk to you now. That was how they buy this man and collected millions of naira from the family. If you read through, you see that the mother of this person they kidnapped and died after collecting ransom, the young man, his younger brother who chatted me, wrote there that even his own mother, their mother is having loss of memory right now because of that thing. Think about this thing. Somebody who holds masters, a master degree holder, or somebody who holds PhD, and his father was never a government official. You only hustle to train yourself at the university. At the end of the day, an illiterate, somebody, a fool, whose father could not lay solid foundation, whose father was busy drinking kakayo pandan. Just the same way I'm telling you now. Sometimes I tell people, pick up. You need to pick up. You need to stand to what is right. You need to start calculating about your life. You are busy in about Saga online. Time is going. The time is not waiting for you. At the end of the day, you will not learn the gospel truth. All because you want to collect stipends from one idiot. Ubona hapoge. Is at the front, but just go ahead and do that. As I am talking on this live section, if you come here to insult me, I'll teach you a lesson by blocking you. That's the first step. If you create another account and come back here, Chineka Bogoku that day. And therefore, the last comment that Chinedu Gideon, despite your insult now, I will not block you. But furthermore, any day I wake up and see your comments here, I recognize these people. The moment I see your comment here next time, I will simply block you from this page. You will not be here. As I'm talking, your mumutiously attitude and stupidity will never allow you learn or accept the gospel truth. You end up giving birth to children like Gentle. You end up they give birth to a kidnapper, because every member of your family is supposed to be careful of you. If you can support Gentle, if you can support this kind of things, you're a potential kidnapper. And I don't know why government Amaro want to do. Sometimes they should go online, scrutinize people's page. Check what people are doing. These guys, they are from your community. If I see my community persons comment anywhere, because they are my local friends on my page, if I see them, I will take cognizance of what they are doing. I will state it down in my mind. From your comment, the Bible says that from the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. This was hidden by this man since 2000 and That was how they buy this guy. They bite this man innocently. Now, let me show you this one again. Let me show you this one again. I need it to be here.
Wait, Maggie, my phone.
So guys, hold on, I have to do this. I'm looking for a picture. I want to show you what happened to this man. Let me show you guys what happened to this innocent man. Just like that. I think I've sent this thing here now. Michael, oh yeah, come and get her from this page. Say you're still asking no video yet. Oh yeah, come and get her from here. Next commenter, where is the next idiot? Emmanuel, oh yeah, come and get her from here, you. Get out. Where's the next idiot? Oh yeah. Next one. Let me see your stupid and silly comment here. Babu Shia Nondara. Support to go my evil. In the case of China, he go away make easy. So see the panel for where. So I just want to check if I will find this now. I don't know. Okay. So guys, you see this man, I just placed his picture here. His details here, right? I mean his Facebook profile here. This is the man they call Sam White. This is the man they call Sam White. His name is Akwara. His surname is his name is Samuel Akwara. Let me remove his picture and tell you something now. This man happens to be the PG. This man was the PG in his community in Umaka. Do you know that these guys buyed this man just like that? They came, they picked this man up, not by a government agent. Why? No PG. Those people who sent you to come and be committing these things in Imo State, they have PG, president generals in their own communities. They have. That was how they buy this innocent man. I just showed his profile here. Please, everyone listening to me, I need you to also check. Look at this elderly man. I just added his picture here now. They woke up one morning, they tagged this one again, and Kabo Sabo. That was all. They buy many traditional rulers that you did not hear. But you have a traditional ruler in your own community. From your own side. You did not order them. Naga Babu, your own traditional ruler. This idiot you see making noise up and down. When they bully you, you be afraid of them. They lack intelligence. The military, trekked for about 3 to 4 hours. Because these boys, they lack intelligence. They thought everything about Agebo armored car, the armored tank, so that they will plant their Winnie base. I don't know if it's possible for me to show you this now. It's not possible. There's a video I will post. I'll post the video later. I'll post the video later. You will see where these people, Ebehana Heidi, Niseke, these guys went there, planted Obunigwes around the surroundings of primary school. I said primary schools. So everyone listening to me, I think you should be here. Everyone listening to me, for 4 hours, they were in those their houses, that place, where they stayed, they make noise from inside one small room, like that. They were there making noise. Do you know that these people convinced some ladies to follow them? Because Wahala Fulana army, a ravage go the area, ha bopushia na ceiling. Open there say that woto. Ihu ana aba, and mmadụ nwụcha mkpụrụ mmiri, you no go rest. You no go think of something meaningful.
Hello?
Yes. I am on live section, sir. Okay.
It's a privilege from God.
Thank you. Thank you.
Life is a privilege from God.
Yes.
My brother, finish your session, we will talk gas business. I am on live section.
No wahala, no wahala.
I'm on live.
Yes. No problem. When I'm done, I'll get back to you.
Governor, well.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
You're talking like Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not an Igbo, I'm an Ukrainian. I'm in Canada. I'm calling with my Nigerian life.
Wow. That's good. Thank you.
I live in Port Harcourt.
Wow.
I live in Port Harcourt. I see too that you have stayed very well in Port Harcourt.
I am born and raised here.
Oh, is it me that is talking to you?
Yes.
Wow.
All right. We'll talk later. So, they buy this elderly man. They've buyed so many people. Do you know that yesterday, I was discussing with you. Do you know that after live broadcasts yesterday, I took calls till after 2 midnight. My brother, you need to be in my shoes. You need to sit back and hear what people tells me. It's the next junction. You need to sit back and hear what people tells me. Do you know that last year December, a friend of mine was complaining, a fan on Facebook here was telling me what happened to him. What happened to him now? Somebody commented. Sinclair commented now. Sinclair said, he said, this man on your screen, is my in-law. He's nowhere to be found since 8th of August 2014 till now. These people, they've dealt with our people. Do you know that? You know, because it has not happened to you. You wake up, your papa coughs, you know, see, waiting happen, no way. Government just adopt them. That is the end. Shortly, they collected millions of naira from you people and no way. Sorry, since 2024. They don't see this man till now. Since 2024. They will just adopt somebody, collect money from the family. Sometimes, so, what somebody was telling me yesterday, do you know that these guys came out just this December, this last December. This last December. So, this last December, the guy came out to pick his friend, to direct his friend, one of his friends, to his house. Nimo State. Suddenly, Moto Nkeyama, Mboche for wallet, according to the story, say he forgot his wallet in the house. So took the wallet and no way, took it there no way. So out of anger, he left the house and decided to pick something out there because of him. He decided to pick a little money from the POS. Kogazega pick here one of his friends. Right in his presence. Kamoto the guy but I got this paper choya. We brought this man. Not only who about somebody there. We brought $1 kidnap and na ego. So, according to the one they kidnapped, the victim itself, listen. According to the victim itself, the victim said that these guys, they had to shoot someone there. So when they took him to their camp, the commander started quarreling that one and said, any little thing, the one who shot somebody said to their commander, now why the man get a fair was on Aki Adoncha no Takachia Sipoya? Chide. According to them, they said that the commander, the Oga, quarreled with him. Say, na Bariamban off a bug abazebo, Noga Bwebe. Eruhan, innocent people, each of you kidnap Gonya, Kenali ego, Ibabu open mother there. Now, another person commented here. Listen, tell those idiots who support evil. Somebody just commented. He said, these guys really did bad to me in my family house. They shot my dad. But God so kind, nothing happened to him. The bullets. He said only the bullet wound. Just be listening. This guy commented, what is his offense? Can you offense empire? After your father at Alahu Wezocha, it might be people that will support those kind of nonsense, but people or their father will bastard. Onyenkana said last year December, tell me that territory now, this person will never come there. His family, before they will come there, it will be difficult. How will the commoners in that area get help? Enya, go and look for something to do, leh? On them man mega business, along the road. This is Port Harcourt. In what people shall hustle. Many people here are landlord and landlady, so here where you see like this, so they sell tomatoes. Oh, you got AK-47 at Bare, Aquino. What sort of freedom is that? Must you come to kidnap or don't let get kidnap our people? Oga, now this page, on the internet, Makachuku, Yabon in our support to Evola and promote here. Man, who again, my mistake and what I real life. You are finished. There's no two ways about because in that talking went to little Ogadi we go diga kananya first. May I go diga kananya ki go in a chemist, because go the ogo headache. Ebrozo nyozanaga or the kebu kunko. If coming Friday, no chance, I will just drive to any nearby mortuary. Bagodi break. Just near gate, yeah. Bagodi break. Kena forgotten them mother. Kifo the cables in them mother nap. Kifo goes in them mother. Ebuna apo. So that you learn. Yes. Good afternoon from here. Okay. You commented and I blocked you.
All those kind of stuff. Me, I never go my village for like 6 or 7 years because of all these things in there. So when I was acting for video, I won't know where him GM is just out of curiosity. Because the damage this guy now caused like too much. Like I'm curious to see that the guy is done. So I want based on I
will unblock you there now. I will go back and unblock you after my live broadcast. I'll do it.
Oh, just out of curiosity. Out of curiosity.
Military cannot start giving you videos. Other easy. This thing requires much intelligence. Even till now. Okay, when with a gentle, I mean, Alawaga celebrate when they went on a gentle. Is it possible? How many had it?
We make a live broadcast. I was telling my guy in Europe, see, when I want this guy, and the source of this thing, so the person asked him now, I will be a video name like Nigeria.
Otaka Hasheme, Otaka, even Haga Jagide now, Jaffu Zendios Jaffu. You know what? You know how they do their things, eh? Please study how the security architectures they work. There is a way. And when it case me, for example, Agua Gentle no wa. They will keep you could take care for about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. But that's no bodia. No extra 2 hours. Now target here. Okay, believe no wa. Okay, believe. And others, the clock is ticking upon their head right now. It's sticking upon their head, no matter what. So relax, those kind of evidence. It doesn't or be necessary for now. When the military finish, Kangwaziegi Obinetiti has been captured back. Eba him from Angel Lucifer Ano. Lucifer self way big boy to this idiot. Lucifer na pokasa hen way big boy to this Anofia. Ebe from Angel idiot and make video. Oh be make video see I no Obinetiti. Ha gbapucha eba ni ni ho there. Oga ije anya ge makachuku ije anya ge ruo some communities when henda amere.
You know, I love a village 7 years because of all these things. The last time I love my village, now hotel like I'm not. There are other Christmas. I love a village 7 years as we speak. Before maybe the one of my projects in Calabar. I suspended it because I can't go my village. me se jadi engineer ya gachaga se guy gachaga meshala se chaolo. I couldn't do it. You got to go.
Lanya.
So all these things.
Onya tuzila hojo. Onya tuzila hojo. Obodo anyị will be calm. I'm telling you. EGZ people na abojo. For the people should remove fear. These people, is it not our own? Is it not our own?
These remove fear. I'm a family man and my parents, I'm only son. I know the responsibility, the kind of responsibility.
That fear. All that fear, and you know how they mind now. I can tell everybody, all that fear, and you know how they mind now. All that fear. Check it all over internet. The so-called bloggers, idiots, I don't say anything. One of them will become victim. All the painful to me, self. Now this thing end. God is ending this thing without some of them issuing banner.
Sharing your video, even from the news, I share from your video. You gotta go see. I've been very happy. You gotta go all these things in a minute. Out of curiosity, come to now do that thing because that my guy be another now. In my hand on Nigeria now be easier. So I'm not going that one bag a post video that guy. That guy talking with me investigate or that camps around all those axes. You gotta go now.
Lanya, my prayers, the way I'm shaking him, and the way other people shaking him, nke ha ma burufu. You know, these things, give what a hana intel. Give banketi, ne ya. Some, you won't talk more than he hegi one. Iota. You give more and the mother wago give 100%. He give a man kucha the 100% at the same time. He pinch to some, he does some makadiga mama.
Exactly.
You understand? So,
exactly.
Let the way it is, More and but call up them one. You understand? Kobuna, not for the some current young war. Then Candibo, come look at the book. Actually, Janyam or won't witness to a bug. I say, aye, they have for your phone now. That's what I want to know. Fake KK-47. Yes. Can they more game to aye? You understand? So there's no need. Even military intelligence had this supposed he broadcast what the 10. How was no video first. Every video keep warrior. Every man they try though. One of the is you. When you are not properly trained, you are not properly trained. When you don't have the mechanisms to do certain things, don't even start it. Don't even start it.
I'm telling you.
Soldiers, they will split themselves. Jew could trek here because they know if they come in with armor tank,
I'm telling you.
Lego the great southeast. Do you know that, brother? Those people you burnt down their houses, they burnt down their houses. Do you know that by now? They would have gone as far as building for others. Yes, now.
Yes, now. You are saying that since 7 years, I never go my village.
You can imagine.
Focus on another thing.
Can imagine.
Because of all these things.
Can imagine. So we are not.
Since 7 years, I never go my village.
We are not going to stop. We are not going to be afraid of any idiot whatsoever. Not anymore. Look at how poor and stupid they are. Our mothers from farm. That is why I tell the people of Umaka to stop or delete the collaboration attitude of tolerating these idiots. What nonsense?
If you go around all of them now, they lose. She has so many things in this level. Like in a hotel, before you come back, I thought it's
brother, no so, go and ask, no so. Ima, people are there water. People not be civilized, mentally civilized are there water. You understand? Imana also, these people make it rain also. That time also abukwa hate community. Here could go be local government. Here could go be local government. Find this contact. Imana these people make it rain bound. Mo also bagare channel also. I did not see one pharmacy, no 3 chemists, no 2 chemists. I only saw one. Only one chemist. These people touch a 2-wire transformer, blue transformer, ray, bookash everything. Ghana government health center. No. So that their market. That their market. Guinea.
Yeah.
Had to try through GMP, all the windows, all.
Agwangwa Igana a project ila Rocha Sikulara village. Atola ma zinc ma window. All those projects Rocha Sikugaroji na Chiduala Imo State Mba. All those projects Rocha Sibere ma police station. Atola ma zinc ma window ma iyeni ha. So many people ha.
My brother, Lanya, until even Handy book was in Mebebo. Enyo ha. Enyo ma na internet ya chọpụta ndị na support to ha enwe na city ebe ha nọ Igbo bo kemba ọ bụrụ na any mega city ha nọ ndị Igbo nọ na that place atụkọ aka ọnụ ga nwụta ofu onye anybody aka ya dị involved anybody both their sympathizer you know to say na city ha nọ ọkacha na Lagos atụ ego achọ miss nwụchie that one lukwu ya n'ime before na apụta business ya dagodi ya ata ahụhụ jenga.
I'm telling you.
This is an Emily. What these people did.
I'm telling you.
A cool toto, yes, a cool toto can about that market. A cool toto can about that market, and also these people finished everywhere. And when one hotel and about Diamond Hotel, and also this hotel was about 3 decades. These people, this hotel is owned by a private individual. These people dealt with everything there. And when one filling station, one guy, his father. But the man was so awake properties here. Lenwe and Kana Bambo, awake at affiliation on a village there. His elder brother, Sumunia Hapore, and since one among the Gia Mampa and he's doing well. I Hapore this filling station. Imana these people topo tramita. Late fuel on the mala, ma diesel of Rafonimala. Boo everything.
Sure.
The guy, that day, the guy only entered also that day, Muaber also. Even I know about no na governor. Nwanija no ogenwa popotram. Nwana this journey. This ebam the guy got a village here since 2021 till date. Except till that day money about so got that thing. And all because of the confidence of people all around me. We engineer the moralogy Surogawa. Upon that on a back when he moto. One wonder the same guy in Jonia na Tojega community. Not one suspect. Not that is one of my friends they know na the other car. Na Jana, they was so no one of them come told you like this. They dealt with this guy. Lanya, let me tell you, for people who doesn't know, that guy Nkamere introduced this Obunigwe. Nkamere introduced this Obunigwe. That guy when he had a like this and a GP launcher, GPNG machine, sorry, anaga. Na village there, the guy went interest in your land and I get any money. I have put a gibuogi. Onya when all na shrine I can do it. God will it up them mad go see a camera for the very first time. In my wife we need to remove fear. Government to talk the ebuteli yonya. Yo bia everyone man go through there. Haburu senior brother the guy Olo the guy okay. The guy went and joined them. Gabola Hibarala. Why not join her? That parable I always give that a reconciled enemy is worse than an enemy. The guy, I told me here because when I watch him. The guy will join here. Not with them for some time. Matter tried their secret and now came back. About back from there. By then, the governor and so many people from that also community spoke to the guy on the phone. The guy now came out from that place and collected amnesty. Well, Guapano government in Yagebu, Ironyanka, Yagebunya, Onya Wonya Buru, his senior brother. Onya Bage, Onya with the chief organizer of that Obunigwe. Obunigwe Kayama Kuopua. Oh, Yamali Obunigwe, Nine, also. Do you know that Obuago chọrọ miss Jidonya agbuo this guy? Also they come immediately. Also they come immediately. Brother, Idosa property no so now for sale. Or go the property of 300-400 million naira. Idosia 15 million naira, you know go see buyer.
I'm telling you.
Also the cable civil war. Ima, when people come out from their own safe community, so that at the end of phone, hana hote hana agwa. Enwere one man in ere. Enwere one man ere. Asna the man ere keke spare parts. So these people, one of their members, na agwa keke before, ha join another mother valley. The guy anoto from that valley, chilling squad, they agba pota. That means this man nere keke spare parts. You got that? No, but this man in your keke over a high purchase. Now the man at Harian on a feria more than the ego jigo keke. Not on Ibu. No way I am is in charge in Abuzi Ebu and I get spare the man. Utago Shibabu the man, who shop with the man. Somebody who helped you, somebody who saw that you were suffering. Do you expect this man to carry brand new keke and give you at the same price he bought it for high purchase?
Only possible now. Only possible.
That was how these guys wiped this man. My brother, the worst of all, my shop ya hamunyeni oko ngwa not there. What is his offense? No go bunyegi keke high purchase. Maybe neighbor the keke na him hotel shaba eba mother high purchase. Obu me meet you up to pay the money at the time you need to pay. The person may collect it and seize it. If you go and bring out that particular payment for that week, he gives it back to you. That is the only offense this man committed. That's the only offense. All he had today. Business ya down. Family today. Nobody also can give account of their whereabouts. You see anybody you see supporting this thing, look at them very, very well. I pray they be one of those people who must have committed their money, who must have made cause. Because no one once helped you in one way or the other, or because the person is no longer supporting you. These people dealt with our people to some extent that how can you internet? If you even try to dispute it, they will call you sabo, they will threaten you.
That is it. I'm going to support him, but I'm not if he didn't see shit or something. Marapa mara na amuta nwuru eji nwa gị go dika agba ha ke ihe ga-egbu ama onye ọbụla na support ihe na dị masia ị na ha egbu na egbu ihe marapa that you are born into ị na amuta nwa ị gotago na ị na amuta nwa ihe ndị hụkwa na na-egbu n'ọnụ egbu awụkwanụ okwu awụkwanụ free like that ị gotago onye na-eme ihe ọ na-eme ime ike gị feel that na ọ na-agara gị today it may not still go tomorrow ị gotago I've been telling people na agba ha say na all these things is bad, you know. So these people are really like I'm not photo everywhere. Honestly, I'm just curious to see how things will go for them to clean up all these things in a
it must get better. If my government feel that they cannot do it, if they feel that they cannot do it, that the governor cannot do it, Oga, in River State, in militancy bidonye sobu. When the guys governor form by himself and about the polo. Now Abia State, all just a kind of form of blind eyes. Guys are from Gode Bakasi. Chore and dark was a also. But they come.
Yeah.
But the president is my mom with the from presidents. Let me not accuse them. They are trying to romance with what's it called? The bandit. No serious government on earth will do that. Now Donald Trump cannot do it. So guys,